Outdoors with Unc here. Today we're going to be doing some campfire cooking. We got our burger all seasoned up with herbs and spices and on the grill. We're cooking over a wood fire on a solo fire pit. These are great because they're smokeless. Stick around and find out one of my favorite go-to ingredients to bring some heat on these cold winter nights while camping. Burger's getting almost done, and I know what you're thinking, like, what, Unc? No toasted buns? Dang right we got toasted buns. Toasted onion buns. Yo, just because we out here in the forest doesn't mean we can't eat good. Alright, burger's done. Buns are beautifully toasted. Who doesn't like a nice slightly toasted bun? You can tell they're done by the smoke coming off of them. Boy, that's hot. I can hear it snap, crackling, popping. But let's go ahead and throw some lettuce on that bad boy. A little mustard. What do you guys want on your burger? Ketchup, mustard, lettuce, pickle, tomato. Leave a comment down below on the best thing. Damn, I never remember to shake the mustard. I always get this weird watery ass stuff. So we got a little mustard on there. And now, this is my secret ingredient. Are you all ready? This stuff is fire. Guaranteed to keep me warm on this cold night. I'm not sponsored. If you're La Auntie, please reach out. I go through a bottle of this hot sauce a week. And it's habanero, so it's got some kick to it. But this is my jam right here. We're gonna go ahead and chow down on this burger. We'll see if we can scrape a little of that burnt off. All that charcoal flavoring. Alright, you guys ready for the two? Here we go. Oh my god. It's the most incredibly average burger you could imagine. But the setting's pretty nice. It's actually not bad at all. The burger itself has got like a charcoaly taste to it. Sorry, it's a fine line between blinding you with my headlamp and not being able to see me at all.